Still stacking bars, still stacking rounds. Well, get in early because this 90% silver is ending silver stacking as we know it. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month, Kevin from Kentucky took home a 10th ounce of gold. Click that link. Be the next winner. 90% silver, like I'm showing you on your screen. Peace dollars, junk Morgans. We call it junk because people don't collect this for any numismatic value. It's just got silver value to it. It's constitutional silver. Any coinage made pre 1964, half dollars, dimes, nickel, oh, not nickels, but quarters. They're 90% silver. And what's happened is ever since we had this run on the shops, I call it a run because when silver hit $50 an ounce, everyone started cashing out. They're looking for profit. They're dumping all their silver on their local coin shops. And the dealers are just drowning in not only metal like this, generic rounds or bars. It's not just that, it's a lot of 90% silver. And what's changed is that typically your dealer, when they're drowning in silver like this, they'll like rounds and bars, they'll just sell it to their wholesaler and they'll get paid. Your dealer will get paid no matter what. But for 90% silver, they need to find a refinery. And refiners are drowning in 90% silver with all of it coming in. So they've dropped the price that they will pay your dealer well below spot price. Well below. I'm hearing numbers like $44 an ounce. I mean, your dealer just takes a loss. And when they're taking a loss, they're desperate to get rid of this silver. So stop at your local coin shop because there's never been a better time to pick up 90% silver. Never. They're just dying to get rid of it because they can't get rid of it. They're stuck. I've been stacking for decades. I haven't seen prices like this. I haven't heard dealers tell me that their refineries are turning them away or offering these terribly low prices for 90% silver. So you and I, the stackers, we need to take advantage of this and jump on it while it's happening because this will clear up. But before it clears up, this is what I'm talking about. Get in early. Get that 90% silver when they're basically giving it away. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.